Hello, my sweet learners. How are you all? I hope you all are good and you all are taking care of yourself. So, students, do you remember we have discussed about vowels and consonants in previous videos? Students, we have 26 letters in English. Out of 26 letters, we have 5 vowels. These are A, E, I, O, U. So we have 5 vowels and remaining letters are called consonants. So we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Now students, I am going to show you something. Are you ready for it? So let's start. Can you tell me what is this? This is A. This is A. Now can you tell me what is this? This is an. This is an. Can you tell me what are A and an? These are articles. We call them articles. And do you know when we use these articles? We use these articles before naming words. इनको हम नेमिंग वर्ड से पहले यूज़ करते हैं. Now what are the naming words? Naming words are those words जिनसे हमें पता चलता है किसी पर्सन, एनिमल और थिंग के बारे में. ठीक है. सो एंड वी यूज़ ए एंड बिफोर नेमिंग वर्ड्स. ओके. सो let's give an example. I have a nose. I have a nose. So I have used a before nose. I have used a before nose because I have one nose. I have one nose. So we use these articles before single naming words. Okay. अगर कोई चीज़ सिंगल है तभी हम आर्टिकल्स को यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है. ए एंड ए एन का यूज़ तब होता है जब कोई पर्सन, एनिमल या थिंग सिंगल होती है. ऑल राइट. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अनदर एग्जाम्पल एंड दैट इज आई हैव एन अम्ब्रेला. आई हैव एन अम्ब्रेला. सो आई हैव यूज एन बिफोर अम्ब्रेला because umbrella is single. So I am using an. Okay. I have already told you that we use articles a and an before single naming words. Okay. Now you must be thinking why I have used a before nose and an before umbrella. So let me tell you, when the spelling is starting with vowel, so we will use an before the word. Okay. Like I have used an before umbrella because spelling of umbrella is starting with vowel. Can you tell me from which vowel the spelling of umbrella is starting? U. All right. Spelling of umbrella is U M B R E L L A. So the spelling of umbrella is starting with U and that is vowel. So we will use a and before the spelling of umbrella. Now you must be thinking why I have used a before nose, because the spelling of nose is N O S E, nose, and the first letter of nose is N and that is consonant. So we will use a before nose. Those words which are, students, if the spelling is starting with consonants, then we will use a, and if the spelling is starting with vowels, then we will use an. Okay. Now students, we are going to understand about articles through the short video. So now students, we will see where do we use article a and where do we use an. So students, use an when there is a vowel sound after. Like in the example, you can see an alligator. So alligator is starting with vowel. Starting with vowel. Then we will use an before alligator because it's starting with vowel. Now students, we will see where do we use a. So students, use a when there is a constant sound after. In the example, you can see a bear. So students, bear is starting with B and that is a constant. So here we have used a before. So students, if there is a word starting with vowel, then we will use an. If the word is starting with constant, then we will use a. So students, let's see more examples. You can see here are some words which are starting with vowels. So we have used an before those words because those are starting with vowels, like an apple, an egg, an iPad, an oven, an umbrella. You can see these all are starting with vowels. Okay, so the first thing is we have to understand that we will put an if the word is starting with vowel. If the word is starting with consonant, so we will use a before, like a book, a dog bone, a town, a cup of tea, a house, a drink. Students, we have used a before these words because you can see these all words are starting with consonants. Okay, so the second thing we have to understand that we use a if the word is starting with consonant. Okay, so I hope you all have understood about where we use a and where we use an. I hope students you all have understood the concept of articles. Now what you have to do, you have to write 10 words. Some of the words should be which are starting with consonants and some of the words should be which are starting with vowels. Okay, so write in your English notebook and then put a and an before those words. Okay. Okay students, then do it and send me on WhatsApp. Now it's time to say bye bye.